If you're looking for the best off-road lights, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So, let's get started. The number one position is dominated by HiLiTES 500 series driving lamp kit. These 12V 55W halogen driving beam lights are a top pick and a part of HiLiTES 500 series. They are designed for cars, trucks, SUVs, and other vehicles. These high-performance, rugged lights are lightweight and quick and easy to install using a one-stud mounting system. The lights are durable and feature high-impact ABS housings and bonded glass lenses. They are designed to minimize eye fatigue regardless of the terrain, on road or off. The company also provides a 1-year limited warranty. Users can purchase additional accessories such as grills, stone shells, and protective laminates in a variety of colors to prevent damage caused by small rocks and other debris. One downside is that they may not work very well in a heavy fog. Also, they may not provide as much long-range visibility as you would like. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Auxbeam LED Pods 18W. If you're looking for bargain-priced off-road lights, consider the Auxbeam 4-inch LED Pods, our best value pick. Designed for Jeeps, pickup trucks, SUVs, ATVs, and more, these lights have a lifespan of approximately 50,000 hours and a 6000 K color temperature. The lights draw very little current, making them an economic option. They feature die-cast aluminum alloy cooling fins and have superior heat dissipation. Designed for off-road vehicles, the mounting brackets are included, and the system features a waterproof rating of IP67. They're also shockproof, dustproof, and corrosion-resistant, which contributes to their long lifespan. While most users love these lights, some say it can be hard to adjust the beam. Also, some customers have received lights that didn't work out of the box. The number 3 position is held by Nilight LED Light Bar. The Nilight LED Light Bar has a universal fit and comes in a variety of sizes, so you're sure to find one that fits your particular vehicle, whether it's a Jeep, pickup truck, or boat. It features both spot beams and flat beams that provide a long, broad view of the road ahead. The aluminum alloy housing was recently redesigned to work in conjunction with heat conduction silicone gel for cooler operation. The lights are waterproof up to 3 feet and a maximum of 30 minutes due to their IP67 waterproof rating. They're also 100% dustproof and feature rustproof stainless mounting brackets which are adjustable up to 45 degrees. They are also backed by a 2-year warranty. While the lights are quite bright, there have been some complaints that the mounting hardware is inferior. Moisture may also penetrate even though they're supposed to be waterproof. Next at number 4, we have HiLiTES 151 Apollo Pro Driving Light System. The HiLiTES 151 Apollo Pro Driving Light System is built with a tough Polymax housing and integrated stone guards, so they last a long time, regardless of the terrain you traverse. The lights feature 100W halogen bulbs, optical glass lenses, and precision-polished optical reflectors that combine to produce super bright illumination. They also come with a relay, wiring harness, and switch kit. You can mount these lights in a variety of places, including the A-pillar, bumpers, and on a light bar. Made in America, these lights feature a spread beam pattern that's extra wide and long for optimal visibility. They're also available as fog or spotlights. One downside is they may move around if exposed to a lot of vibration, and the mounts aren't the best quality. The number 5 position is held by Nilight 36W LED Light Bar. Here's another option from Nilight. This LED light bar uses high-quality LED chips to emit a bright spot beam to illuminate dark roads. It controls and minimizes heat through the use of heat conduction silicone gel and its aluminum alloy housing. Like many other products on the list, it has a waterproof rating of IP67 and can be submerged in 3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes without failing. Designed for harsh conditions, this light bar features a durable side-mounting bracket for a farm installation, making it quack-proof on rough terrain. It's compatible with ATVs, SUVs, trucks, boats, and more. However, they may make a whistling noise at highway speeds and water may penetrate after a short period of use. Moving on to the next at number 6 with Autosaver 88 LED Off-Road Pod Lights. This pack of two 7-inch LED off-road lights has a red outer ring for style and is designed to fit on cars, trucks, Jeeps, ATVs, boats and more. They have a waterproof rating of IP68 and can be submerged in 3 feet of water up to 2 hours. The anti-corrosion lights are made with a die-cast aluminum alloy and have an adjustable bracket, which makes it easy to change the light's direction. The manufacturer boasts that lights perform well in rain, snow and other extreme weather conditions, which is why they can be used on boats. The 5100 lumen lights are also dustproof and provide excellent illumination at extreme distances. They also dissipate heat due to the use of radial heat sink fins. One downside is the red trim may chip after a short period and expose the oxidized metal underneath. Next at number 7, we have Auxbeam Curved LED Light Bar. The Auxbeam LED Light Bar comes in a variety of sizes from 22 inches to 52 inches, making it suitable for off-road vehicles, marine lighting, heavy equipment lighting, and more. The Spot Flood combo beam efficiently lights up the road or terrain in front of your vehicle. The 18,000 lumen light bar with a color temperature of 6500 K is super bright and features a waterproof rating of IP67. The light is also dustproof and shockproof. Users like that this light bar is easy to install and includes the wearing harness and mounting hardware. Also, it features a 5D optic design consisting of a fisheye lens and reflector, so you can see the road and other items in the far distance. It also brightly illuminated objects in close range. On the downside, it may vibrate and get noisy at high speeds and may fog up and retain moisture. Finally, at number 8 with Cutequeen LED Spotlight for Off-Road. The Cutequeen LED Spotlight kit for off-roading comes with 4 18-watt lights and stainless steel mounting brackets. These 1800 lumen lights have a 6000K to 6500K color temperature and has a waterproof rating of IP67. They are built out of aluminum alloy and are designed for a variety of applications. They can be used off-road, on trucks, and even as a construction or garden lighting. The lights have a 30-degree spot beam and a working lifespan of 50,000 hours. Overall, they perform quite well for the price and they are quite simple to install. They can also take a beating and keep performing as expected. However, the light may be more scattered than what you would see in a rival brand. They may also retain moisture. That's all for today. We upload product review videos in every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.